In this recipe video, I'm going to talk all about tender Cajun turkey legs. And when I say tender, I mean like tendernism, fall off the bone. This was incredible. Layers of flavor, seasoned to perfection, smoked beautifully. These ended up so delicious. And as you can see, just poking your finger into it is enough just to let this fall apart. Oh my God. This was delicious. You guys know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossy. Okay, hit those buttons, like and subscribe. Let's start from the beginning. I picked up these turkey legs from Hayter Farms at my local grocery store, Sobeys, and I thought to myself, I should use some Louisiana Cajun dry rub by Maritime Madness. Now, I want to be clear here. I'm seasoning the skin, then I'm pulling back the skin, and I'm re-seasoning all underneath. That's really important here. We want to layer in this seasoning, liberally coat every nook and cranny. We want to get this fully covered. Seriously spectacular, guys. This is easy and flavorful on the next level. So after you get all that seasoning all over it, you're going to pull that skin back up. Guys, I know you know what I'm talking about here. And then we're going to throw one quick light layer on the outside there. We have like 2 or 3 layers of seasoning onto these turkey legs. So let's go ahead, fire up the Traeger Woodridge Pro at 250 degrees. Honestly, you can go up to 275 or as low as 225, but personally, I think the sweet spot is 250 degrees, like I said. So the goal here is just be patient. We're going to set them out onto the pellet smoker, and we're just going to let them ride. So this probably took 2.5 hours or so to bring them up to an internal temperature of about 170 degrees. So once we reached 170, I took some tin foil and wrapped it with some Cajun butter. Now, I'll show that all in a second, but let's talk about how I made the Cajun butter, because it is so simple. It's 2 parts butter to 1 part Louisiana Cajun dry rub, again by Maritime Madness. And all you're going to do is put that into a little saucepan, and you're going to set it out on the Traeger and let that butter melt down. Okay? So once it's fully melted, you're going to get some tin foil, and you're going to take those turkey legs, and we're just going to lay it down. We're going to take that Cajun butter that we made. We're going to pour just a little bit onto the turkey leg. We're not going too crazy here. Don't soak it in the butter. We just want enough so that it will get infused. And man, oh man, did it ever work out beautifully. So take that tin foil, make sure you wrap it up nice and tight here. Try and seal it off if you can. It's not the end of the world if there's a tiny hole, but do your best to fully season and seal it off. And then guys, finish it off. Probably about 30 to 45 more minutes on that smoker. And dude, this became so tender, juicy, and delicious. You can see it's glowing. Those juices are showing off. That seasoning is evenly distributed and looks fantastic. Oh, buddy, talk about delicious. And look at that seasoning on there. Holy cow. All right, so how tender is it? Well, just take your finger and give it a quick push, and you'll notice it just literally falls apart. You don't need a knife. You don't need a fork. A simple bite into this will get your taste buds tantalized, bud. Holy guacamole. Talk about spectacular. I love turkey. I think it's absolutely delicious. And when it's tender, juicy, and spectacularly flavored just like this, I think it's a 10 out of 10. I honestly wish everyone would try this recipe just because of how spectacular it is. You can see here, I'm hardly pushing on this, and this is just melting apart. That smoke ring you can see on the outside looks magnificent. Juicy, tender, and delicious. Guys, I really hope you take the time to try this recipe because it's super straightforward. Plate it up with some green beans and some potatoes, and you have a fantastic home-cooked meal. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. It means so much. I hope you're having a great day. Make sure to stay safe. Take care, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.